Okay, it's time for another update video. I have decided that I want to try my hand at micro soldering. So at work, I work with a lot of 603, 0805, 0402. Don't really get to do a lot of 0201s. So I want to try my hand at some micro soldering. So I went on eBay and I picked up a bunch of iPhone 5S motherboards. So I got 10 faulty motherboards for £10 plus £2 postage. So basically a pound each. The motherboards have, different faults listed on them, such as this one that says dead. How would you focus? 4013, which is a NAND problem. Just says logic on it. That one says logic on it, I guess. Logo. This is logo, so it's probably stuck at the boot logo. Why are you not focusing, mate? So logo, so I guess it gets stuck at the boot logo. It just says faulty. 4103 again. Activation and water damage. Crusty. God, I really don't like this camera. More light help? Whatever. Camera skills suck, I agree. So, all those £10. But, what am I going to put them into to test them? So, boom! Got this iPhone 5S faulty on eBay for £6. And when you try and turn it on, it does actually kind of turn on. Yeah, the screen is messed up. Touchscreen doesn't work, but it does boot. Boots to a passcode. Don't know what the passcode is, but we may try to break our way into it somehow. But anyway, we mostly bought this just for the housing. I thought the screen might have been good. £6. Meh, it's worth it just for the frame and all the dock connectors and gubbins and battery and stuff. But anyway, that's where I'm at. Quick little update. I am planning to get some new tools in. I really do want to get a good microscope. So there it is. Passcode, touchscreen doesn't work, but whatever. I am trying to get a microscope to do some soldering, because, I mean, you really can't see on this camera. But there is some pretty teeny weeny little stuff to solder. So, yeah, it'd be exciting to try and do some of that soldering. Thing is, the microscope is about £300, so I'm gonna have to finagle some stuff and maybe sell some of my old consoles in the background to get some funds together. So that's the first update. Next update may be playing around with some different motherboards in the phone just to see what happens. Screen is smashed, as I said, but I've got a new screen on order and it'll be here tomorrow. So hooray. Thank you.